Good morning and welcome to Freeport. It is breakfast time before we head down to go swim with some pigs. I got some pancakes, some kielbasa, and eggs benedict. Anne's got some pancakes, potatoes, and bacon, coffee, and we are ready to go.
Susie pigs, woo!
Like this? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
There's Oreo, I think, right there. Yeah.
No, don't do that. No, no. That's enough. My fellow man, no.
There you go, baby.
Pet him.
No, I don't think I got that video. I think you're allowed to.
Come on.
Watch out!
What are you doing with your apples, man? What happened?
I gotta record.
I know. You're like, oh, hell no. Here goes the other one.
I did. Put him again. There. He's getting another. I'll get another apple core stick for you.
Oh, he's a smaller guy.
Oh, Peggy.
Right here. Come here. What? Hey, Peggy.
You want me to do it again here, Hunter?
Hey.
You want me to record yours here?
Oh no, I'm good. Hey, right here. Where are you? Come here. Here.
Where are you?
Good boy. You see that? Hold it. Hold it. Hey.
It's Oreo!
Good boy.
It's not even that big. Zach, it is something for you. I'm scared. Here, I'll help you get it. It's my knee. Hi. No, it's tripped over a rock.
Boy.
Sorry. Here comes the white line.
If you enjoyed the show and you want to leave a tip, you can give it to any one of me and my boys.
Here. There you go.
Thank you very much.
What's up, everybody? We have made it to Norfolk, Virginia, because of the Baltimore Bridge collapse. So we are here. Woo! We are about to disembark and try to catch a bus, I guess, back up to Baltimore. So give you a little glimpse of what we're looking at. Cool little battleship right here. But other than that, I would give this cruise like an 8 out of 10. It's not too bad, right?
Yes, I would agree with that score.
Yeah, 8 out of 10, not bad. Yeah, like I said, we had a great time. Cool stuff. See you on our next adventure. Peace.